Hello and welcome to The Byline, where I discuss the strategies and technologies that are transforming business finance management. I'm Chris, and in today's episode, we're walking through a topic that's often overlooked, but is secretly one of the biggest breaks on scaling a service business: the accounts payable process. Specifically, we're diving into the world of car washes. You've probably spent countless hours perfecting your customer flow, sourcing the best cleaning chemicals, and maintaining your equipment. But what about the flow of paper? The constant stream of invoices from dozens of vendors spread across multiple locations? That's where profits leak and growth stalls. Today, we're going to talk about the solution: AP automation. So, let's set the scene. Imagine you own a successful chain of 5 car washes. Business is good, but your regional manager spends nearly a third of her week just managing paperwork. She's chasing down site managers to approve invoices for detergents. She's manually entering data from utility bills into QuickBooks, and she's spending hours every month printing, signing, and mailing checks to 50 different suppliers. Meanwhile, you, the owner, have no real-time idea of what's being spent where. Is location 3 paying 20% more for the same wax that location 5 is using? Did someone accidentally pay the same maintenance invoice twice? This is a significant operational risk and a massive drain on resources. This is the reality of a manual AP process. It's fragmented, prone to error, and completely opaque. This is where AP automation can make all the difference. Our first big topic today is understanding what AP automation truly is for a business like a car wash. It creates a connected digital ecosystem for your entire procure-to-pay workflow. It starts with invoice capture. A P software uses technology to automatically pull all the key data from any invoice. The system extracts the vendor name, the invoice number, the line item details, and even codes it to the correct general ledger account. From there, it's all about the workflow. Let's say you have a rule that any purchase over $1,000 needs your approval, but site managers can approve anything below that. The system handles it automatically. The site manager gets a notification on their phone, they tap to approve, and the invoice moves to the next stage. No more paper invoices sitting in a folder on someone's desk for 2 weeks. And the final piece is payment. Instead of processing dozens of individual payments, a system like order.co consolidates every single approved transaction into one invoice. The platform pays all of your vendors in their preferred method, whether that's an ACH transfer, a virtual card, or even a physical check. All you have to do is review the invoice once a week or once a month and make the payment to order.co. You've just turned a multi-day process into a 10-minute task. Now, let's move on to our second segment: the specific bottom line benefits for a car wash operator. This is where the rubber really meets the road. The most immediate benefit is gaining complete financial visibility and control. When your purchasing is decentralized, it's hard to really understand where the money is going. With a centralized AP automation platform, you get a dashboard that shows every single expenditure across your entire organization. You can filter by location, by vendor, by product category, you name it. Suddenly, you can see that you're spending a fortune on landscaping at one site, and you can start asking why. You can see that you're buying a huge volume of microfiber towels and realize you have the leverage to negotiate a better price with your supplier. This directly leads to the next benefit, which is cost reduction. Manual processes are full of costly mistakes. I'm talking about data entry errors that lead to late payments and fees as a result of that late payment. Automation eliminates almost all of that human error. The system will ensure amounts are correct, and by speeding up approvals, it helps you capture those early payment discounts that many suppliers offer. Those small percentages add up to thousands of dollars in savings over a year. And let's not forget the time savings. Think about the manager I described earlier. What could she do with the 10 or 15 hours she gets back every week? She could be on site training new employees, researching new cleaning products, or focusing on improving the customer experience. Automating the low value administrative work, you free up your best people to do the meaningful work that actually grows the business. Finally, for anyone looking to expand, automation is the key to scalable, standardized operations. You can't build an empire on a foundation of inconsistent ad hoc processes. An AP automation system allows you to enforce the same procurement process, the same approval workflows, and the same budget controls at every single location, whether you have 2 or 200. This ensures compliance, prevents rogue spending, and gives you a predictable, repeatable model for growth. So, what should you do to get started? It's a simple 4-step journey. First, take a hard look at your current process. Map it out. Where are the delays? Where are the frustrations? This audit will give you a clear picture of what you need to fix. Second, define your key requirements. Do you need mobile approvals? Does it need to integrate with QuickBooks Online? Do you need to manage both inventory purchases and service invoices? Make a list of your must-haves. Third, evaluate your options. Look for a platform that's user-friendly and built to scale. Some tools only do invoice processing, but a more comprehensive solution will integrate AP automation with procurement and spend management, giving you control over the entire lifecycle. And fourth, focus on onboarding. The best software in the world is useless if your team doesn't use it. Choose a vendor that provides excellent support to get you set up and your team trained, so you can start seeing a return on your investment from day one. And if you're wondering where to start, look at platforms like order.co. It's designed specifically for multi-location businesses like car washes, where speed, visibility, and consistency matter most. Order.co centralizes your entire procure-to-pay process, from purchasing and approvals to consolidated payments. Your teams stay empowered to buy locally, while you maintain total oversight from one intuitive dashboard. It's the balance between flexibility and control that most car wash operators struggle to find. With Order.co, that balance is built in. Let's do a quick recap. We've learned that manual AP is a hidden barrier to growth for car wash companies. AP automation solves this by digitizing and streamlining the entire workflow, from invoice receipt to final payment. This provides 4 huge benefits: centralized visibility and control over spending, significant cost reduction by eliminating errors and fees, massive time savings for your team, and standardized processes that allow you to scale efficiently. The path to implementation is clear: audit, define, evaluate, and onboard. Ultimately, investing in AP automation translates to buying back time, control, and the capacity to grow your business. It allows you to shift your focus from the back office to the front lines, where you can do what you do best: deliver clean cars and great customer experiences. That's all for today's episode of The Byline. Don't forget to follow the podcast for more tips on how to practice effective financial management. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next episode.